Ever wondered how to create 10 social media posts in just 2 minutes? How about generating a mix of engaging Instagram in-feed posts and short-form videos that can be repurposed on Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts, and TikTok? Here's a simple, quick, and efficient way to get it done. Imagine starting with a blank canvas on Instagram. The goal here is to create inspirational quotes. Canva, a user-friendly graphic design platform, offers a plethora of templates to choose from. The trick is to personalize these templates with your own brand colors and fonts, adding that unique touch that sets your brand apart. Now, you may ask, how to create 10 posts at once? The answer lies in Canva's bulk create feature. This feature allows you to upload a CSV file containing the content you want to post. Once you've uploaded the content, connect it to the designated field in Canva. This might sound technical, but it's actually as simple as selecting and connecting data. With your content connected, you're ready for the next step. Choose a template that fits your brand's aesthetic and let Canva work its magic. In a few seconds, you'll see the rest of your pages generated, ready to be tweaked and refined. Now, this is where your creativity comes into play. Depending on the prompt you've used and the Canva template you've selected, you might need to make some adjustments. But don't worry, these tweaks are usually minor and contribute to making your posts look more personalized and appealing. But what about those short-form videos? For this, start by selecting Canva's Instagram Reel template. Customize it with your own text, and voila! You're ready to make waves on social media. By using a template with fixed text, you can easily insert different tips without having to change the entire template. In summary, creating 10 social media posts in 2 minutes is all about using the right tools and techniques. Start with a blank template on Instagram, use Canva to personalize your posts, take advantage of the bulk create feature, and don't shy away from making necessary tweaks to enhance your content. Remember, the goal is to create engaging, visually appealing content that resonates with your audience. And now, with this process, you can do it in a fraction of the time. Happy posting!